Hello, everybody. Okay, I'm excited. It's kind of getting hotter. It's getting, mid cold and hot. And I'm kind of excited to share with you guys a special unboxing. Okay, so I am a person who has been thinking about, transitioning to leather bags, and I have already a couple of them, as you guys know, in a couple of videos. But I have also specific wish lists and specific colors of those wish lists, and I wouldn't get them unless they're in a specific color or a specific leather or a specific style. And this one was not only a specific leather, it was also available, and it suddenly, for like a day, literally a day or a week, it was on sale. It like suddenly on sale. Nobody knew about it. They were just surprisingly suddenly on sale, and I can't wait to share it to you guys. I haven't really looked properly at the bag. I haven't really seen thoroughly what it looks like, how it feels, the look, and everything. So I'm kind of excited to share it with you guys. Now, comment down below if you guys think of what color it is, maybe what leather, if you guys know the leather or the design or the material. Comment down below. So, since I already mentioned it's like a leather, then maybe you guys might think already what. So, it doesn't come in this box. Sadly, it's not. But it was safe. It was safe because I kind of like did a quick check on it, and it is here. Okay. So I'm sorry about the noise. Okay, I am trying to play around what works more for me, and right now my mic is charging, so it's gonna be noisy. Plus, I'm actually getting ready to leave, so I'm kind of excited and just having this quick unboxing because I can't wait to use it this spring, this summer, and of course evidently when fall comes. But this is a perfect spring bag, and I think it'll be a perfect spring bag because I have specific styles in spring and of course in summer. But like I said, I think you'll know when you see the bag. So let's just stop talking. Like I said, it became on sale, and I've been hunting for a bag like this. But not only that, in this specific color, because I didn't expect it to be to see it immediately. Sadly, the price right now went up again, so I couldn't find because they have actually the other colors in that specific leather that I have. So I will link them down below if it's still there. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so this is not the dust bag that it came with, so let's just get that out of the way. And then came with the box, but in here is a dust bag. I'm sorry, okay? It's exciting. I will be seeing it properly right now. So in here is, so it's a dark bag. Oh my gosh. So yeah, it gave me like a little horsey here, but okay. So this is real leather, okay guys? This is real leather. This is in box leather. A box leather. It looks even a vintage style, but it's not. In Sellier, so it's a Kelly dupe in Sellier in a gold color, in white stitching, and yes, of course, box leather, and in gold hardware. So it's of course gold hardware also on the feet. So here it is. Oh my god, like, do you see that shine? Do you see that? Okay, it's so beautiful. In here, it looks like, I love so let's just read this. I love vintage looking bags, and that's why the design of Hermes, specifically the Kelly and the Birkin, or the Kelly itself, resonates with me so much because it really, really looks timeless, but it looks also vintage, like especially in different specific colors. They look very like old, but has a story to it. So I got some scissors, and so I'll just cut this. I know it's weird, but I have to cut it and then keep it for safety. Okay, so let's cut this first really quickly. I wouldn't have thought of getting this bag or this specific color in this gold color anytime soon. Like, it's always in my cart. Like, whenever I see something, I just add it to cart, but it's never in a box leather. I don't see one in a box leather, but this shop had it. It was insane, and honestly, like, I was again shocked. I didn't expect it, but when I saw it and flashed on sale, I took the opportunity. And then of course there's all stickers in them. Okay, so this took a while. Okay, so this is still from overseas, and so it came with, that's the inside. So there is a cover, and then it's complete with the leather strap and the clochette all here. So let's see. So here it is. So as you can see, you guys know the automatic look of it. If it's like real leather, you really know. So this is adjustable strap, which I love, which is really, really great. And of course, you just put it there. But I'm not gonna let's just put it together yet. I really like wearing it as a top handle, so I attach this like a later on. So I'll just put it back in the bag. Okay. So it has a clochette and keys. Oh, does it have the key? Oh yeah, it has the key and the clochette, so it's complete. So, oh, by the way, this is in size 25. Size 25 in box leather. So this is okay. Now, originally I wanted to get this one, or yeah, I want to find one that was just like size 28, something bigger. But finding it in this size, in this leather, was actually fine, because 25 is actually like my everyday, my day-to-day. Like, I don't put like so much. I just put the necessities in my bag. I don't get any mini Kellys because it's not practical, and I didn't want a 22 because 22 is still like more of an evening bag to me than an everyday bag. So this was it. This was the bag, and honestly, it's the perfect work bag. It's super amazing. It's super stunning. Like, you could see that. And I found it in a white contrast stitching, or in the contrast stitching. So that's the best part of it. So here. So it's literally a beautiful gold color. I am so happy with the shade, with its finish. It's super clean, and I got this for insane price. This was like a special discount only that just happened there, because it didn't happen again, because this arrived for like a month ago, and that's why, of course, I kind of opened it late because I really wanted it to be on like a special occasion. So I just opened it now. So this arrived a month ago, and of course I wanted to unbox it on a special day. So when that one was on sale then, and then I added to cart, I checked it out. I didn't know if it was gonna be great, because like I said, I'm testing out and seeing the shops that are good and that are actually real leather and that are great quality that I can recommend to you guys. So this one, I was really, really scared, but because of the price that was on sale, I see, okay, maybe it's good. Maybe it's not as bad of a quality, or maybe it's just like my PU leather bags. But when it arrived and I opened it, and the smell just kicked, the leather smell, okay, the leather, not the rubber smell, the leather smell just kicked in, and it smelled like leather. And I was shocked because this was just like 1,000 when I got it. Okay, it was like 1,000 plus when I got it. That's why it was an insane price, because right now, although it doubled, it's still a great price for the bag that you're getting, for the size, for the material, especially it's in box leather. So I was so happy with it. Now the stitching, of course, is it's actually like hand stitch, honestly, because not all of them are uniform, which is that's why I was like, right now I'm just looking at it right now, like as you can see there, it's handmade. That's why I fell in love with it more, because it really looks so authentic. It looks so vintage. It looks like those classy times in the Renaissance, or like I said, I really like the European old vintage times, centuries ago. So I fell in love with the color. I wanted to choose this color first because, like I said, I wasn't sure with the color or the box leather and the material if it was going to be really legit. But then it arrived and I was so happy. But sadly, when I was ready to, like, I was on the fence because it was still expensive. Okay, for me, it's still, you still pay a hefty price for it. So I added to cart a few of the other colors. So there is one in navy. Okay, there was a navy one in box leather. That was like insane. I didn't expect one to. And there was one that was in a choco brown. Now, I was lucky to have this already, but I wanted that one too because I love a choco brown that's vintage, that looks so old. Like when you scratch it, it just blends well. I wanted it. And then after like a week, when I said, okay, maybe I'll just wait for like a month or just 2 months, and then no, because after a week the price suddenly increased. And then I talked to the seller, and then they told me that because it was just like a big opening, because their shop was just new at the time. So like it was like a big grand opening for the price for the bags, and the lucky people, there was just literally a few people only who got it because they were willing to try, and like me, I was willing to try. So I was lucky enough to get this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be getting the others anytime soon, but I'm happy they're still open. I'm happy that they're existing. I'm happy and that they have box leather in other colors, because like I said, I love box leather. They're such a nice timeless leather. That's why I'm hoping, but I'm like I said, I'm not rushing into things. If it disappears, okay, sad, but at least I have this genuine beautiful bag to remember it if it ever disappears, because not all bags, especially the pea leather bags, bag sellers that I bought from before, they sometimes their shop dissolves. Some of them they're still good, like IALG bag, or their shop is still very very much alive. I've been buying pea leather bags from them for a couple of years already. That's why I know and I recommend them if you want to see, like, if you want to try other bags in dupes that are not real leather. It's not gonna break your bank. But this one, like I said, they often have some sales that are really really good sales, like minus 500, minus 300. So go wait for those. But this one has the price of this is like 3,000 now, but because of the leather, like I understand, because my other bags are that price. So I just tend to wait for the big sales so that I'm willing to purchase them. But like I said, I tend to slow down on purchasing because I really want to think about, do I really want the bag? Do I really want the color? Do I really want that leather on it? That style? That's why I think about it. That's why I'm slowly transitioning only, and I only have a couple of lists that I want to start first. But I wasn't planning on getting any neutrals again anytime soon, but this one I couldn't let it go. If that ever happens again, if I ever get that offer of that big one, I probably might get a 3 bag, like the navy, the oh, I forgot the green one. There was a box leather in green. I wanted to die. Like, that's how shocked I was. I know this is exaggerate. I know the people that are gonna watch this are like, she's too much. But it was so beautiful. Honestly, when you see it, it was so beautiful. I'll try to put a picture of it, but like I said, it is such a beautiful bag. Such a beautiful color. I really recommend it. So yeah, this one, hands down, one of the biggest finds, especially early this year. So yeah, I hope you guys try it. I don't know. I hope you guys try the bag, try the shop, because if you guys want box leather, okay, that's why I want to recommend this shop, especially in the box leather, because it's in box leather. This shop has a lot of colors of it in box leather, so I recommend it so much. So here is the bag. Here's the color. Here's the design. See, it's literally beautiful. Like, the craftsmanship is such a beautiful thing to look at. Look at the sheen, like the shine of it. You cannot get this easily from anywhere, and I've seen other shops already. They don't have brown box leather, okay? And it's like the perfect vintage one. I mean, you've seen the Kelly vintage Kellys. They're beautiful in box leather, in brown. Like I said, I'm so lucky to have a couple of the bags I really wanted in the specific leather that I got. So yeah, I hope this is very informative to you guys. I would test them out also on what it looks like, but evidently you guys know brown is easy to pair with. I would probably get more brown bags or gold bags rather than the black bags. But this one, like I said, I'm so happy with it in this color. I know I'm not ready to get a brown bag yet because I still have the beautiful PU leather bag that I have that is also in Kelly in size 22. But this one, I couldn't pass it up. It was such an amazing sale. And like I said, I am so happy. So I hope you guys like this video. I can't stop touching it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Let me know what other bags you want me to try or you want me to review. Or maybe bags that you want me to look for that are in genuine leather or that are not gonna break your bank account, that you like, that are in dupes or really looks like the same thing. And yes, and the quality or the reviews that you're willing to test out and that you're not going to, you know, cry about it. So I hope to see you guys in the next video, guys. Bye!